first YouTube video ever, which should be out by tonight. I just finished the thumbnail. Who doesn't love to be judged by strangers? Anyway, as I'm sitting here editing, I've been eating my favorite snack, which is the 7 Sundays oat protein cereal. And if you're one of my friends, I've probably forced you to try this. It actually got mixed reviews from my friends, which was surprising to me because I thought it was the best thing I've ever tasted in terms of like a healthier cereal option. But anyway, it's like literally like 7 ingredients and it tastes amazing, chocolatey Cheerio type goodness. So I would recommend with almond milk. On that note, I will talk to you when I'm doing something slightly more interesting. We're making dinner because we're both starving and we're going to some sort of birthday situation.
What are you talking about? I'm just living my life.
Oh, sorry. First up, we've submerged the noodles. Best noodles in the game. Rouse, homemade. But it's not homemade, you know what I mean? It's homemade in a factory.
It's made in my house, my home, so that's homemade to me.
Goods secured. Do a fun activity, which is painting my nails, but I'm just gonna do colorful polka dots with these really cool nail art pens. I'm excited. We're not off to the best start. Can you see anything? I'm losing it. Anyway, everything will be fine. And this is what it looks like so far. I really thought I was gonna be good at this. Probably shouldn't have had coffee right before because the amount of shakiness. Do we like it or is this horrifying? My boss tomorrow is probably gonna kill me. She's probably gonna ask if I let a small child do my nails, but YOLO. I'm gonna add a gold one. I think that would be fun. Oh my god, can you see my hand trembling? It's literally going like this. This might be the worst one. Just gonna grow that. It has to be over. What do we think? I think it's fun. I think it's different. I think it's bold. Would recommend. 1 billion degrees in Los Angeles right now. There's a huge heat wave. Yum.
Been like oh my god, yes, and YouTube everything, you know.
I'm just trying to make my video longer.
Should I grab it? Sarah? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is coconut, soft serve.
No thank you.
With matcha, with peanut butter, and with granola. Now I could taste the matcha. Obsessed.
Obsessed.
I'm gonna count.
What would you rate it 0 to 10?
8. I would need more granola. A little bit of salt, olive oil.
Of course.
But I'm waiting for like Sabrina Carpenter this, but like coffee.
To work and I got an iced Americano to wake me up.
Vlog, we're Erica's job, and I don't know what to say.
That's okay.
Wait, let me start over.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. Hi, Erica's vlog. We're at her job. So let's take a tour.
Oh.
Okay.
The sideways one.
Hi, Erica's vlog. This one is puff. I feel like it's not the skin tone for me.
Oh wow, it's pretty. It's just very light and peachy.
It's really corally. I want like a cool pink to like red on it. Yeah, but I wouldn't like that. Different lip. Look at these. Huh?
I think you're made for this.
I made this. Right, so
You're made to be an
follow me on
influencer.
TikTok. I'm gonna start doing makeup videos.
What's your at?
Cyber Crush.
Your
Two
Cyber
H's.
Crush with two
The letter
H's.
use the letter R. Cyber Crush.
Perfect.
Add extra H in it. See, that's like more like that's like the color I go for, like a brownie
Ooh, yeah, that's nice.
one, but like maybe like this one's called Suit. I thought it was that. It's that. So that's a very Michael shade.
Ooh, I love that.
Oh wait, that's real. That is not the same thing, right?
It's not.
To be fair, like I lipped a little bit.
It looks like your lips, but like stronger colored. Not better, just different.
Should I get it? And download.
I think you should.
So Erica's in her vlogging era.
I really am.
That means that I have to take. Oh, I didn't take the cap off.
That means that by default, my friends are also in their vlogging era.
Literally, you've inspired me because I'm going to Tokyo in 2 days. It's the time for you to
When you walk up playing in their parents' makeup. Life today.
Just really living life. Just couldn't be more basic at this point.
This little skirt. These shorts. I feel like they'll be so cute for fall with like boots or ballet flats or earrings. Just an essential. I feel like I get a pair of hoop earrings like once every 3 months because I lose them, but luckily they're only $5. It's an excuse.